Upscale your planogramming experience with our new Nexgen POG. Let's create a planogram using Nexgen POG. A few benefits of our platform are: cost-effectiveness, cloud-based software, unlimited licensing plans, bulk upload of images, secure online sharing with single click, multi-device and browser compatibility, customizable planogram templates, automated planogram, compatibility with other planogram files, custom analytic reports, click and post compliance, product groups. Log in to Nexgen POG with your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will find the following sections in the Nexgen POG homepage menu. The home screen has the following options: Recommended, Recent, Favorites, Merchandise Standard, App Launcher Icon, New Planogram, Global Search, Floor Plan, Planograms, Products, Compliance, User Guide, Need Help, Recent Updates, My Account. Most of your menu options, including My Planograms, Products and other features are in the side menu, which can be accessed by clicking the App Launcher icon, the 9-dot square, on the top left corner of the screen. In My Planograms option, users can create new folder, and new planogram. Actions includes options such as open, move, copy, merge, swap, web share, send for approval, delete, change status, dates, groups or versions, link stores. Users can convert planograms to merchandising standard, block template, custom templates or into Cowork folder. Cowork provides a shared folder where team members can save their planograms. It allows everyone on the team to access, edit, and work together on these planograms. Reports can be generated on product summary, product overlap, product exception, change history, planogram list, planogram details, planogram comparison, block template list, space analysis, capacity analysis, sales analysis, export into PDF, PSA, XML or location mapping. Users can download custom reports like planogram list, shelf template. Merchandising standards are pre-designed templates that help users create planograms quickly by customizing them. Favorites tab: in My Planograms, Shared, Cowork, and Recent pages, you have the option to easily add any planogram to your favorites list by clicking the yellow star outline next to the planogram name. All planograms added to this list is visible in the Favorites page. Clicking on the yellow star again will remove the planogram from the favorites list. Planogram Summary Quick View. In My Planograms, Shared, Cowork, and Recent pages, you can easily view the summary of product assortment within each planogram by clicking the Count in the planogram row. This view is not available for empty planograms. Based on your preferences, you may choose to view this product summary by category, subcategory, manufacturer or brand. The Deleted tab lists the recently deleted planograms. Users are able to restore the deleted planograms. Product library contains all the products that have been added by the tenant admin. Users can add new products and upload images here. Products can be added individually by entering information that is unique to the product. The mandatory fields include UPC, product name, manufacturer, brand, and dimensions. Users can view active or inactive status along with the image. Users can add to groups, create new groups, deactivate, reactivate or delete product details, and generate reports such as Export Product Library, Product Usage Report, Product Location Report and Product Image Report. Users can include product descriptions, values, as well as financial and inventory details. The product library provides details such as the product name, quantity, description, sharing status, links, and more. Select the product images you want to upload. Image file name is generally product UPC, in the JPG or PNG formats. It should match the UPCs you have in your product library. Product group. It helps user create subgroups of products from the product library. Clicking on New Product Group option enables the user to create product group and add required products to it from the product library. The existing product groups can be edited, deleted, or new products can be added. Users can generate reports on product group details. The autofill assortment option allows users to create assortments by allocating a percentage of space to specific manufacturers or brands, and then use these assortments during autofill, instead of manually dragging and dropping products. This saves users time selecting individual products or categories to create a planogram. Users can also manually edit the space percent and sales percent. Block templates. Block template allows users to update numerous planograms effortlessly. Converted to block templates from the planograms will be listed here. Users can view the details like count, linked POGs, modified by, modified date, tickets, status, effective date, POG code, POG version, and approval status. Users can create block templates for specific categories or subcategories and effortlessly add them to planograms. Any updates made to the template will automatically sync across all planograms that use it. Users can quickly locate specific blocks with familiar search features, view all linked planograms along with their synchronization status, and perform updates either individually or in bulk. By clicking on the linked POGs, users can view the linked planograms, count, shelf, status, sync, last synced details. Any changes made to the block template can be reflected in all or selected linked POGs by clicking the Sync option. In addition, the block template module offers a wide range of custom reports such as Product Summary or Planogram List, Shelf Template. In Planogram Designer, users can insert block templates via the block template icon, with any edits automatically updating across all linked planograms for consistency and efficiency. Label templates. Clicking on the label template option will open up a window, which shows all the label signage created. The New Label button helps to create a new label. Labels can be formatted as text-based labels to instruct store merchandising team or as image-based promotional displays or callouts. Once designed, they become available in the Planogram Designer, to be added as labels with one click. Compliance feature will help the visual merchandiser to raise tickets regarding any deviation in the actual execution. In the homepage menu, users can see the total open compliance ticket count here. To add a new compliance ticket, click on Next to add details of the ticket and to whom it is assigned to. Once the details are filled in, the user can save the ticket. Users can view My Tickets, all open, new, active, resolved, on hold, or closed in the left side of the screen. Users can see the compliance status on the Planogram Designer screen. Planogram Approval. It helps users share planograms with approvers, to get it approved. From the tool, any planogram can be shared with approver. Once reviewed, the status will change. From My Planograms, users can select the planograms they want to get approved by the approver. From Actions menu, click on Send for Approval and select the approver from the list, add any comment if you want, select the due date and send the planogram for approval. Users can view the approval status of the planogram sent here. It shows the details of pending, approved, or declined. In the Approvals Request Received page, allows users to view received approval statuses and review them. The Requests Sent tab shows all approval requests sent by the user. It includes whom it was sent, sent date, due date, response, pending, declined, approved status, and comment. Clicking on Response, users can see the planogram waiting for approval and planograms approved and sent for next level. Import planograms. Nexgen POG allows the user to import the planogram files created on other platforms. Users need to select the source file format and target folder to which they need to save the planogram. Users can import planogram files in .psa, .xml, .xls formats by choosing the right converter based on the type of the fixture, pegboard or slatwall, from the drop-down. Nexgen converter can be used if the fixture is a gondola or shelf. It is the most used converter if the fixture is not a pegboard or a slatwall. The select file allows the user to import the file from your desktop, laptop, tab or mobile. Stores and clusters. Users can map planograms to specific stores and clusters with this feature. Users can create a new store by clicking New by adding a name, code, description, address and cluster and click Save button. To add a new cluster by clicking New and enter details like name, code, description, and address and click Save. Users can view the total number of planograms approved, pending, and created. Planogram lifecycle. This allows users to view all planograms from all users within the tenancy, grouped by planogram version, planogram group or planogram name. It displays the number of planograms in each state, created, pending, approved, implementation, active and archived. Users also have the option to bulk updating certain planogram properties, from the Actions menu, and run reports. Clicking on the count for each status opens a side panel with the listing of matching planograms. Analytics. This dashboard allows users to analyze product performance by category, manufacturer, subcategory, and brand, among other filters. Floor plans. An add-on to planograms, users can use floor plans to organize the store's layout to enhance overall product presentation. Users can create a new folder by clicking the New Folder option. Users can create new floor plans by clicking New Floor Plan and adding width, depth, and the number of floor sections under Custom Dimensions. Users need to enter the required values in UOM and click the Next button. This will create a new floor plan and open it in the Designer page. Users can add planograms to the list by clicking the Add to List and selecting previously created planograms. Here users can customize the filters to search and navigate to any folders created, shared, or in Cowork. Users can drag and drop the required planograms onto the floor plan as required with or without using Snap function. Users can change planogram view from front view to top view as required. Users can now break out sections in your planograms within floor plans and place them in any orientation. This allows you to rotate each section, enabling you to position them precisely as needed. Right-click on the planogram to divide it into sections, and the sections will automatically separate. Users can move the sections using the arrow keys or the mouse. You can rotate the sections as needed by inputting the angle into the rotate field on the footer or by using the handle on the selected image. In the Tools menu, users can remove facings, add or remove sections, and align as needed. The info window displays name, UPC, facings, count, or image. Label or signage option allows users to add labels by clicking the plus icon to create new labels. Click Save or Save as to save the floor plan. Properties of a floor plan can be accessed by clicking on the floor plan name on the Designer page header. In the floor plan properties, users can view and edit the floor plan name, version, code, status, effective date, end date, background color, and border color. Also, on the Stores tab users can assign clusters and stores. PDF option allows users to export floor plan as in PDF formats. In the Image option, users can select the image quality and format to export the floor plan. Users can generate reports such as floor plan summary by planogram, category, subcategory, manufacturer or brand. Clicking on the Settings option will give you a drop-down list for the following. Data Admin. Upload product image. Data Admin. In Data Admin page, users can find separate tabs in the left navigation for each type of data upload. It includes product data, sales data, cluster data, store mapping, store-level product data. Clicking on Product File Template will download an Excel sheet with options to enter product specifications. Once these fields are filled, the file can be uploaded directly to the library by clicking on the Select File button. Upload product image. The Image Bulk Upload option allows the user to upload images in bulk. The panel for uploading images will be displayed, allowing users to either select images from folders or drag them onto the designated area in the screen. Make sure the images are named and sized as described on the page. The user can click on the Select Files option, where you can select the file to be uploaded and click on Save Images. Image file names must be in the format .jpg or .png and represent product UPCs you have in your product library. Users. The tenant admin with an unlimited license, must be a billing admin, will have access to Nexgen Admin Portal by clicking on the users in Settings. The admin portal lists all users in the tenancy, with details like name, email, phone, license, access, entered date. More details like title, department and company can be displayed for each record by choosing the headers from the column drop-down. It has a search option and a filter drop-down for active and inactive users. Admin can also add a new user with all the details mentioned earlier and specify the license and grant the needed access to the user. The option to send the welcome email is also listed here. Let us take you next into our Nexgen POG homepage, which has 4 main sections. Recommended, planograms that may require users' attention are now displayed as scrollable tiles. These are planograms that have been shared with users or added to users' co-work folders by other team members. Based on user preferences, you may choose to view this product summary by category, subcategory, manufacturer or brand. Recent, this section provides the listing of recently opened planograms. You can click on the planogram name to open it in a new tab. Favorites, with the new feature to mark planograms as favorites, you can access all your favorite planograms in this section. You can click on the planogram name to open it in a new tab or click on the star next to the name to remove it from the favorites list. Merchandising standards, this section provides the listing of all merchandising standard planograms published by the administrator. You can click on the planogram name to open it in a new tab. Global Search. The Global Search box is available on all pages in the header, with a drop-down option for advanced search filters. Searching by UPCs will find all planograms containing the matching products. Users can find planograms or folders based on date ranges for effective date, end date, created date and modified date. Refine searches by using filters such as status, groups, versions, created by, modified by, clusters and stores to find the specific planograms. New Planogram. By clicking on the New Planogram button, you can start creating your planogram right from custom templates, merchandising standards, or custom dimensions. Custom templates. Users can choose a template, click Next, name the planogram, select the Save folder, defaulting to their last used, and then click Create to open the new planogram in a new tab. Merchandising Standards tab opens a new window. Users can find a list of merchandising standards to choose from. These are pre-designed templates, which help create planograms quickly by customizing them. Users can find a list of merchandising standards on the home screen as well. You can either start creating planograms from the existing templates or define your own custom dimensions. You will now be prompted to follow a few self-explanatory steps, if you choose custom dimensions. Clicking on the Custom Dimension button opens a new window with options to select the planogram type. Select planogram type you want to create from the drop-down menu. Choose the required planogram configuration, such as height, width, depth, number of sections, shelves, base height, or shelf thickness. Give a suitable name for the planogram. Select the appropriate folder and click on the Create button to start creating the planogram. You will be taken to the Planogram Designer screen. Planogram Designer is where you can design and edit your planograms. The top toolbar and side toolbar of the Designer screen has various functionalities. Start designing your planogram by selecting the products for your product bin. You can either select products by clicking Add to Bin or import an already created product bin by clicking Import Bin. Once the products are imported to the bin, products can be added on the shelves. On the header of the product bin, there are options to view the products in different modes such as name, category, subcategory, manufacturer, and brand in ascending or descending format. Clicking Add to Bin will open up a window where a category or product can be searched. For a more precise result, you can click on columns to tick on more options such as SKU, POGs, facings, space used, size or UOM, region, and descriptions. The search result displays all products of that category. Select the products needed and by selecting Add Selected Products to Bin, they can be added to the bin. Once the product bin is ready, you can start designing your planogram by simply dragging and dropping products to their corresponding shelves. Right-click on the product to open a contextual menu with various functions, or you can use the Tools menu to get easy access to do the actions. Use Add Facings, More Facing, to add more horizontal and vertical facings. Align products to left, right or bottom side of the shelf using Align Left and Align Right and Align Bottom functions. Spread your products evenly with Spread Even function. More option includes evenly spread all shelves, squeeze factor, autocorrect and mirror products. Move shelf or section anytime using Add or Remove Shelf or Section options. Apply product color to apply the given product color. Use Position Details, Product Details, to get the position details of product on shelves and product info, description and values, and financial and inventory details. Rotate products up to 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. Use Info window to view the selected shelf or product details like UPC, product name, brand, manufacturer, package type, size or UOM, category, subcategory, and more. Shelf template is created in specific dimensions as per requirements, which can be simply dragged and dropped it onto planograms. This works as a shelf in shelf, where you can create a shelf in small dimensions, place products in it, and then place the new shelf on the bigger shelf in your planogram. Shelf properties is to change shelf and section attributes. The changes will be reflected in the planogram as users make them, no need to click Save to see the changes. Use planogram properties to view planogram details. The footer allows viewing the planogram in different modes. By selecting the options like the image, label, dimensions, snap and warnings. It has the options like undo and redo or load sales analysis data. After creating your planogram, make sure you save your planogram by clicking on Save or Save as option. Fill the planogram by uploading planogram fill template, with details like the shelf number, section number, UPC, number of facings, etc. Users can also download the template and give the details like in a particular section, or shelf like UPC code, dimensions, height, width, horizontal or vertical facing, and more. Save the details in the system and users can upload it in the Planogram. After that, click on Select File option to upload the Excel. The PDF option allows you to export the Planogram in PDF format. Click on the Image option to download the Planogram as image. Also, users can view reports like Product Summary, Product List by Shelf, Product List by Manufacturer, Product List by Brand, and custom reports like Space Analysis, Capacity Analysis and Sales Analysis. In Space Analysis report, it allows user to calculate total shelf space available along with space shared for each product. It includes details like length and breadth of a shelf, number of product facings as well as the percentage of space taken up by each product on the shelf, section and planogram in total. Sales Analysis report gives an overview of all products in a planogram along with their facings, sales value, sales volume as well as sales profit. It gives an overview of the space to sales ratio which helps to understand the revenue generated by each unit of space. This helps to get an idea of the product which are least sold. For getting the report, user need to upload the sales data. From the settings menu, the user can select the option like Sales Data Upload and download the Sales Data File template. After giving the details of starting and ending period, UPC code of the product, current movement of the product, previous moment and save the template to upload the file. After uploading the sales data template, user can download the sales analysis report. This helps the user in understanding the movement of products on specific shelves so that they can decide which products should be placed on which shelf. Users can select the block template by clicking the block option from the top toolbar. Drag and drop the selected block template to the planogram and click Sync option. With Visual Analysis feature, planograms can be reviewed in different color schemes based on various modes like UPC, name, category, subcategory, manufacturer, brand, segment, size or UOM, size description, package type, price, cost, share, unit movement and days of supply. The user can instantly see whether products are overfilled, underfilled, or optimally filled, all within the planogram view. On entering the days of supply, the system will calculate the required facings, based on product movement from the loaded sales data. This is compared with the facings in the planogram, and the system suggests adjustments to both facings and count or units. ADJF shows the number of facings to add or remove. ADJC shows the number of units to add or remove. The heat map helps visualize the adjustments needed. Green indicates understocked products, more facings are needed. Red means overstocked, facings should be reduced. White shows optimal stock levels, no changes needed. With days of supply visualizations, you get smarter insights and faster decisions, all in one view. Custom labels can be easily created by choosing Labels option. Clicking on the label template option will open a window, which shows all the label signage created. Users can create a new label by clicking on plus button and by right-clicking on label, user can select the properties to add label details like label name, label text, description, height, size and more. Users can also select send to back and bring to front by right-clicking the same. Users can add a new compliance ticket by clicking on the new ticket option, select the ticket type, title, description, open date, and ticket status. Select the product and save. Users can see the compliance status from the Planogram Designer screen. In autofill, user can select the required products from the bin by either free text search or by filtering the list based on category, subcategory, manufacturer and brand. Once the products are selected, users can sort the products easily based on category, subcategory, manufacturer and brand as the primary sorting and then either product width, height, or depth as secondary sorting in the ascending order. The area to be auto-filled can be defined by clicking and dragging, including the sections and shelves as required. User has the option to select the direction in which the selected products are filled in the defined area of the planogram, like left to right, top to bottom or right to left, bottom to top, etc. It has the option to optimize the space by selecting the options, adjust facings to fill area or exclude products on planogram. Nexgen POG allows the user to import the planogram files created on other systems. Subscribe now will open a window where the subscription plan is showed. There are 3 subscription plans for Nexgen POG. Nexgen POG Standard, Nexgen POG Premium and Nexgen POG Enterprise. Product change history. Users can see the product changes like products added, removed, moved and facings for a selected time period. The recent updates icon on the header opens a window that lists the latest updates for Nexgen POG. Start designing your planograms with Nexgen POG.